Wow, just look at this beauty. The Nubia Z80 Ultra feels premium right out of the box. Sleek design, powerful build, and that stunning display. I like this flagship. Hi guys, welcome to my technological world, your own YouTube tech channel. If you're new here, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you will receive our upcoming videos. Today we're going to review on Nubia Z80 Ultra. Let's have a look and watch this video to till end. Opening the Nubia Z80 Ultra box is a premium experience from the get-go. The packaging is sleek, minimalist, and gives off high-end vibes. Inside, you find the handset resting securely on top. The rear camera setup is impressive. Nubia has equipped this model with a triple rear camera configuration. A large 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS for stabilized clear shots. A periscope telephoto lens to handle distant subjects without losing detail. And a high-quality ultra-wide lens to capture expansive scenes. The ultra-wide sensor is notably larger than typical competitors in its class, which should translate to brighter, cleaner landscape shots. One of the strong selling points is the phone's water and dust protection. The Z80 Ultra is expected to have an IP68 or IP69 rating, meaning it can survive immersion, for example up to 1.5 meters, and handle high-pressure water jets without compromising integrity. For anyone who uses their phone outdoors, near water, or in unpredictable weather, this level of protection adds peace of mind. The glass and frame materials also feel robust, adding to the impression that this is a device built to last. The Nubia Z80 Ultra unboxes as a serious flagship contender. Premium in design, strong in camera tech, and rugged enough with its IP-class water resistance. If real-world performance, battery life, camera in low light, durability. So guys, I hope you like this Nubia Z80 Ultra hands-on review. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, My Technological World, and press the bell icon so you will receive our upcoming videos.